in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 3, hadith number 2437, that the wives of the Prophet said, the Prophet fasted during the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah, and he fasted during Ashura and 3 days every month, the first Monday and 2:30. We come to know from this hadith that the Prophet fasted the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah. That means besides the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, the day of Arafah, it is mustahab, it is sunnah to fast all the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah. If someone says I cannot, then at least fast besides Arafah, Monday and Thursday. But the best is fasting all the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah, because these are the best days of the year.